In this video, I will show you how to fix limited PayPal account. So go to your profile and click on search and then search for permanent and then click this and then click tips for submitting, and then you need to send your documents on PayPal like ID card, driver's license, passport, your first and last name, date of birth. And then after that, go to your email and then click on plus sign. And then send this to the activation queries@paypal.com and then type your subject. And then copy this body to your email. So copy this for what I'm typing. Kindly request a thorough review of my account, and this is my new account and I already submitted my identity. I don't know what was happening to my account. This delay is impacting my ability to meet financial obligations. Your prompt attention to this matter is greatly appreciated and I look forward to a positive resolution. And then type your email. And then once it's done, you need to wait for a few days to resolve it for a PayPal. And then after a few days, go to your browser and then search for PayPal. Then click on PayPal and then click on login. Type your email and password here and click on login. And then you need to check if the PayPal resolve your problem about limiting account. And that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.